Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how I got these beautiful soft locks using the wrapping method. So right here I'm just taking down my mini braids. I did them beforehand to save time, and I'm moisturizing my hair with the TGIN Rose Water leave-in conditioner, and that's the amount that I'm using, and I'm going to apply it all over my mini braids. You have to ensure that you moisturize your hair before you put your hair in a protective style so that it stays hydrated, and this will reduce breakage. So I sectioned a portion of the back, and these are the 4 locks that I'm using. I bought them online. So here's the brand right here, and I think I got them for like $24, and I got 6-pack of 24 inches. So all I'm doing is just removing the rubber band that is in so that I can get the individual locks, and I'm just looking how long the locks are. So right here I'm just finding the loop and I'm putting my braid in, and I don't have much wrapping here, so I decided to use a crochet hook to shorten the plaits. Doing it this way ensures that I won't have to use that much hair when wrapping the locks. So it's pretty straightforward. I just use the crochet needle to carry the braid through, and I don't carry it all the way through, and then I just literally just wrap until my hair is completely covered, right? And it's just that simple, and I ensure that I keep the hair flat while I'm wrapping it. Don't worry, I have a close-up for you guys to show you exactly what I mean. So I'm just opening up the loop some more, then I'm going to put my mini braid in, then I'm going to use a crochet hook, pointing it downwards, and then I'm going to place the plait inside of the hook, and then I'm going to draw it through, but not completely because I'm not locking my hair. I'm just shortening the braid like this, right? And I just pull the loop down some more just to have a little bit of a leverage when it's time to take it down, right? So I cut the crochet here in half, and I'm just separating it so that it gets a bit fluffy. And I want color, and I didn't buy the crochet here in color. I don't know why, so I'm using a bit of braiding here to add a pop of color. So you see how I hold it between my thumb and pointer finger, and I ensure that the hair is flat, and I use a thumb to flatten the hair while I'm putting it around the lock, and I ensure that tightly. And honestly, I wish I didn't do it this tight, because when it came to me trying to take down the 4 lock, it was quite difficult. So the next time I do this, I am not going to wrap my hair that tightly, and I keep